Welcome back to the channel. So you have a strip bolt on your muffler and it's leaking this way, and I'll show you how to fix that right now. You take your muffler off. You have to tap it to a next size up. So these are 8 millimeters. So next size is a 10. So you need to drill these 8.5 millimeters. Then you need to put your 10 millimeter tap in here. I'm going to put this end right on my leg here so it doesn't twist. Then these holes should be 10 millimeters. Put your muffler back in. Then put your 10 millimeter bolts in there. Don't over tighten these, just when it'll snug. That's all you need to do. There you go, nice and tight. Push it over down here. Now the bracket for the hood. This is LA165, so it's got an extra bracket here for the exhaust. This right here, this bar, will slide right in there. Alright, if you like this video, press thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.